They're a solid piece. And we made the one for the left side, now we're trying to duplicate. Duplicating the damn thing is usually the hardest thing you have to do. So we got this one like so. And I just got a few little things to do on this.
Yeah, show people how you got to that point with your friend.
Yep. Okay, what we do to get this point, we put it on top of this, which is an oxygen bottle, and you work it on by hand. Andreas grabs it on this end here.
You know, the tight spot, you grab it.
Right on that.
Oh, wow.
And then we work it down and keep doing it until it start out with a flat.
A smooth curve.
And it gets a nice smooth curve. So that's it. I think we pretty well got it right now. So anyhow, you'll be seeing a chain guard done pretty quick. Thank you.